Right, we're interested in where this graph meets, well, actually how many places it meets the x-axis and how many places it meets the y-axis. So let me first of all look at the x-axis, and that is going to be when y is equal to 0. So I'm going to get x squared minus 2x all squared is equal to 2x squared squared. So that's going to give me 2x to the 4. And what I decided to do here is, rather than rooting it, I expanded the bracket. So I'm going to get x to the 4 minus 2x times x squared, then doubled, it's going to be 4x cubed plus 4x squared equals 2x to the 4. Rearrange to give x to the 4 plus 4x cubed minus 4x squared equals 0. I've got a common factor of x squared, so I can take that out, which makes this equation much simpler. Um, and I'm going to get a solution of 0 from here, and then I can see that this is going to go, like, it's going to go below the x-axis just because I've got a minus 4 as the intercept, and it's a positive quadratic, so it must have two roots, and they're not going to be the same. I can just see that, so I'm going to get two roots from here, and therefore, sorry, I've kind of confused this, haven't I? I don't know what the roots are, but I can see that there's going to be two of them, and here's 0, so therefore I get that p is equal to 3. Now, let me just say, if I had gone down the other route of square rooting both sides, which is valid, then I'd get x squared minus 2x is equal to root 2 x squared. I just need to make it plus or minus because I'm taking the square root. One of the sides have to have a plus or minus in. And then you need to consider these two in turn. So x squared minus 2x is equal to root x squared. Sorry, root 2x squared. And with a bit of, sorting it out, you can see there's going to be two solutions. And then x squared minus 2x is equal to minus root 2x squared. Again, we get two solutions. However, you have to spot that, in fact, the solution here is x equals 0, or one solution, and the solution here is also x equals 0. So overall, we actually get three solutions, just like I did here. So I think actually going this route, you're a bit more likely to make a mistake, but, it still works. Right, let's look at the y-axis now. So that is going to be when x is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to get just y squared squared. So I'm going to get y to the 4 is equal to 2y to the 4. That means that y to the 4 is going to equal 0. And I'm just going to get one solution, y equals 0. So q is going to be 1. And then I've got 100p plus 100q. So it's going to be 300 plus 100, which is 400. Nice.